Hi, monster. What? What you doing? How you doing today? Let's see. Your gown, the buttons are open. Because you love when your feet are out. What? What are you doing? You're such a happy boy. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? What you looking at? Jared. Oh, what? You tired?